What's up, you degenerates? Scott Barnes here with another video. Now, just as I promised, I've got Dana White here, and I wanted to show you guys how he gambles when it pertains to blackjack. Now, this video we have seen with Steve Will Do It, but I want to emphasize how he does his betting, how he comes back from his debt and then leaves on top. And this is where I want to start this video. Is remember, when Dana White plays blackjack, he doesn't need to go on these crazy runs of, usually when he comes in, he's, he always asks for 30. And, if he wins maybe 60 or 120, if he's on like an insane heater, he's done. He doesn't need to go on these long streaks. So if he's only there for 10 minutes, he's done. He doesn't need to go and have fun. I think what he likes to do is he just likes to go in. He likes to play the game, play the casino. And if he's up, he's up. Now, if he's down, he's going to stay there until he gets it back. And that, just like we saw on one of the Full Ascent podcasts, he's been there for, 25, 28 hours. So let's get into this. And I want to show you guys what I'm talking about here. So right now, he just hopped in for 30. Okay. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you can see the markers on the side. Just won his first hand.
You see everything? Her hand, everything?
And he wants to see if he can double it. And we're going to do two segments. Like I said, again, we're going to do when he gets into debt and how he gets out of debt. So, again, so you can see his markers. He's 50 out.
You think so? Because, I'd rather sit here because I can get them too when they like, have to especially. So.
I haven't even had a good hand yet. Great time.
No!
One piece. Motherfucker.
Now, I want to make a stopping point right there. Now, obviously, Dana can't control what's coming out in the cards. He's going to have to make a reaction to it. Now, our only reaction, obviously, can either be hitting on 16, staying on a low, splitting. There's a lot of variables by the book. Now, again, when you're playing against the dealer, sometimes they're going to pull these crazy 6, 7 card 20s or 21s. And again, there's only so much you can do. Obviously, the game is, I don't call it rigged or, in the favor of the house. But if you can take advantage of the house when those cards are coming, technically, maybe those are counting cards, reading the cards, or knowing when it is time to bet. Again, this is where I think Dana does a great job by not going on full tilt. He doesn't do emotional betting. He just plays it strategically. So again, he's here. He's lost a hand already, and he's not going full tilt. He just stakes to a strategy. Okay. So again, lost 50. He's going to pull out another 10. All right, so I think we're down now to 60.
Yeah, do you want to get in between time?
Yeah.
You can keep the motor lights coming a little bit. Break.
14?
Look at that fucking shit.
And a great example, right? This is a great example. And I'm not going to stop this every time, but I just want to give this, again, a preface. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-card 17. You see a 2, on the face, and you're going to stand hoping the dealer busts. But again, he can't control the variable at this moment. So if we look at the markers, this is a great hand. We were down 50, 60, just like I said. So let's keep on going.
Shit.
Sure, this is the first game ever.
Disgusting.
First game ever's not going so well.
And like I said, we're going to do two segments. We're going to do the beginning, and then we'll do the end. So I'll show you how he finishes it up.
What does that mean?
I'm doing a $10,000 hand. If I lose this, I'm down 25 bucks.
Wait, this is...
All right, so again, Dana bets, or
$10,000.
Dana asked for another $30,000 marker. Now we're down
Ace.
90 grand.
Oh,
Pound
10
it.
over there.
Pound it. 21. Come on, Steve.
Bring it one.
Let's see if there's a
Jimmy.
double.
Today's the diamond.
This is a $20,000 hand.
The camera's giving me motion sickness. He likes to know his face. That's a poopy fate.
Shit.
There's Steiny. All right, let's see. Now Dana likes to do this holds cards kind of stuff. Got 8.
We need her to have a
Can't see what he's got.
Come on, you gotta break this, Cherry.
And
Come on, Cherry.
Alright, already down 40.
Break it,
Oh,
Cherry.
wait.
All right, let's see what happens to the dealer's card.
Yes! Yes!
If Dana would have stood, he would have got the bust. But again, it doesn't matter. That's not the purpose of this video. All right. We're going to watch one more hand here, and then we're going to go to the end just to show the level
10
of
grand, 10 grand hand right now.
how big of the level of the swing it can get. All right. So now we're down 100
We're even now.
with Dana. Okay.
What do you do? He's hit it, I guess.
5,000.
5,000? 5,000.
I pay for the bet. Okay.
That's mine. That's mine.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, it's coming.
5,000 paid.
All right. We don't really care about Steve, so let's get this going here. But we got to enjoy. Okay. 18. All right. Let's see what we got for Dana. Okay. We're still down 100. All right. Dana likes what he's got. Okay. Push. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and pause it right there. So now that we are in head deep, let me get to a point where I like, and this is a good example of how Dana gets it back. And once again, you can't control the dealer as much as you want, but there are some things that you can do. For instance, we'll do it right here, we'll let the last 10 minutes. There are some things that you can do, and one of them is doing a new shuffle, right? Let's say the cards are coming out, let's get a new deck, right? Second, we can get a new dealer. I believe dealers can make or break some of these juju hands, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to get back into it, all right? And so again, this is Dana playing the house, and when Dana's down 100, this is where the strategic bets come in. So if you play the minimum, like Dana always talks about, he can press the bets, and pressing his bets are a little more than I believe some people's limits. So let's get back into this and let's see how we finish it off. So if you guys can tell, again, if I have to move my screen, I will. Dana's out again, 100 grand. I think he's about 70 down. All right, we're gonna finish this. Looks like we got about 10 minutes. Let's finish this 10 minutes, okay? Dana's out 70. All right. So he's just been riding up and down for the past 50 minutes, 30 minutes, all right, of this video.
2,000. Sweat this act. Let's double this
Should
act.
I do this?
Yeah.
Should I
And
take
Steve's doing
$10,000
great.
hand?
And this is another reason why sometimes it's good to play with someone and sometimes it's not, because they're going to be taking cards that you might need. There's a lot of variables. A lot of variables.
Fucking 10.
anyways.
You gotta split them
All
anyway.
right, so Dana's down 90. Dana's down 90.
Let's go.
Don't even dream of split.
On the side.
No, don't even fucking think
That's
about it.
crazy. Is it wrong?
Because he's a degenerate. All right, 18.
Motherfucker.
This is one of my most famous.
17s.
This is one of my most favorite videos that he does, and it's just, again, the reason why I like it so much is it shows how consistent, concise, and composed he is. I liked what I did right there.
Yang yang. Cherry.
Okay, and you're gonna see here again why I love this. Love this, one of my favorite videos. Cherry comes in, one of Dana's favorite dealers. All right, sometimes she can be brutal. Right now, she just gave 2 blackjacks, just straight off of the bat.
Akimbo fucking blackjack.
Where the hell have you been, lady? Huh? She's the best. We have
So,
fucking the axe
100
murderer
down.
over here dealing
100
with
down.
us the whole
All right.
time. Give me 10, please.
Alright, we're doing another 10 grand hand. Oh my god. Yeah, I like that. You're gonna.
And I believe he pulled that out so he can start pressing.
Oh my god. Nice.
And this is when this is the string that we talk about. Cards come out in strings.
You're fine.
Wait, let's see what he took.
10-10.
Break.
2 in a row. 2 in a row. Blackjack.
Here we come.
Here it goes.
We got Cherry.
All right.
Thank God.
All right. So there's 60 right there.
Fucking axe murderer went to lunch.
The axe murderer. Okay. So
Holy shit. Lady.
if you guys just saw right there, if we go back just a bit, let's see if we can catch it. Okay, right there. Right there. Pays off. I believe that's 60. So he's got 30 left. So he's going to knock out let's see. So he's got probably about 40 left. He's got 160, so we got 40 left, all right?
Holy shit.
That's
Lady was
40 that
fucking
he
killing
paid
us.
off, all right, just in 2 hands. And once again, he's riding up and down this whole past hour.
30, 40, 50, 60.
I don't know about you guys, but the streaming's
I'm up
going
like
pretty
80
well.
Steve's doing well.
Alright, 12. We love it.
Fuck.
Oh shit.
9 and an 8. We don't need to worry.
No, thank you. You don't got shit.
You're standing? 9. 8. Yeah.
8 here.
You gotta fight. You gotta
8
fight.
here. 7
7 or 8.
7, 6, 8.
7 or 8.
Come on.
All right, so I was right. He was down 60. Let's see if he gets another 30 out. Of course he does. Cherry knows. He's
I'd
getting
like
30.
160.
So he's down 90 now.
Jojo Embiid.
Another 20.
And just let's see what our timer is. So we got 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
Side bets really
Hold
hit tonight,
your
dude.
breath.
Like 2 5Ks. That's insane. And then another pair. Sweet, man.
Come on. If you look here, he's got the 2 6s, so he's got a flush when he hits that thing. I got an 18. She's got a 9 showing. Odds are she's got the.
Oh, if you would have split, that would have been
8.
11.
Bye-bye.
Yes! Bye-bye. That worked out. That worked out well.
All right, now that was a bust. All right,
10, please.
pays off some of his marker. Now he's down
Son, this is all profit.
Let's go. Come on,
70.
Let's do it. Come on, let's go. Come on, Steve.
Nice.
This fucking dude has hit like 30 fucking shots tonight. It's crazy.
Until one
Steve can't do it.
Oh, 2,000 on the side?
2000.
I know this. With
The flood.
Let's go. Steve's hitting like fucking 16s.
Like there's 16.
Watch this shit. Look at
Oh
it.
my gosh.
By one.
Dana is not.
By one.
He pointed it out, and I'm like, oh my god, it's like 12 times.
So many 19s.
That's the first great hand I've had, too.
Yeah.
She's got the 20.
Yeah, I mean, they do make you work for it, man. I'll tell you that.
And work he does.
I'll take 18, 3.
Come on.
Against an 8. So let's see what we've got here. This is Dana's unorthodox playing style.
7.
Okay, we got a 5,
Come on.
7.
Okay.
18, 7,
Come on.
17.
4.
7.
4, 10.
Bust. Splits on 3s
Let's go.
against an 8. Okay. Doubled up really quick. So he's down 100.
I didn't do anything. He said for me not to do shit.
Yeah.
Can I color these up, please?
That's good.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fast forward just a bit so we can get through this. So Steve's paying off some crazy amount.
This is real.
2014 BMW.
Steve is just absolute monster.
Playing?
Monster of a win.
Alright, I think I should quit. Yeah, 96,000.
That's why.
You know what? I'll stay here with Dana.
Of course.
I'm up. I just made 100
Of course Tim will.
Feels good.
Alright.
Go cash out. Go get your money.
Dude, this is the best.
And this is just a reference why Dana likes to just pay back, get it done, and be
Alright,
done.
guys, you're about to see one-on-one action.
All right. And this is a good point. Actually, you know what? This is a great thing that he just said. One-on-one action.
25,000.
Steve's done. Let's see if this will help out.
5,000s.
Dude, profit.
Alright, you guys watch Dana while I go cash out.
All right, let's go. One-on-one. Let's get it back.
Alright, get him. Reaction.
All right. Come on, Cherry.
That's a pretty sick first live stream ever in history. That's crazy.
Bye.
60.
Okay.
22.
Go, Dana.
What an ugly win. Where's
What
the
an
music?
ugly win. Perfect. But hey, you got to win, man. All right, there's 30. There's a 60.
Tipper you've had, or
All right. So he probably paid off 40.
biggest tipper you've ever had?
That's my thought.
Yeah, sure.
I think that's so inappropriate. Total side note. I hate it when people ask about money.
We did the car.
So Dana paid off 40. All right, with that hand
Depends
just
on
right
what you
there.
win. I mean, if you win
Listen,
shitloads of money, you take care of the dealer.
you do.
Wow.
There we go.
All right. So paid off 40.
Did every inch of that.
Finally!
By the time Steve gets back there, I'll have all my money back.
Okay, so he's got 40 left.
Finally caught it right
one more hand.
All right. So what he has left is what he's got in the debt.
What's that? 50?
No, 30.
Where you
I'm
at?
up.
He's
Actually,
up.
Maybe I should quit too.
What are you up?
Yeah.
10,000?
I'm up 70,000.
Dana's 70,000.
Go for the 100. Come on. Go for the even 100.
I'm up 70,000.
10 back.
That's a wrap.
That's it.
Steve won 100.
That's
I
it.
won 70. Thank you.
And just like that, you guys, just like that, with about 2 or 3 hands, right? He did the split, he got the blackjack, and then he got that ugly hand at the very end. And not to say that that extra 40, which now makes sense with the 30, is the 70. So it makes sense. And listen, I'm a degenerate myself. I have problems with math. That being said, you guys, I hope this was just kind of fun, just a way he bets and, his strategies with dealers, playing cards, doing splits, all sorts of stuff, which makes a great way to entertain us with some high level blackjack or high limit blackjack. All right, I'm done. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.